Hello, Class 8. This is the continuation of your chapter Courage Beyond the Page from English, please. So, in previous video, I have told you about Sunil Gavaskar, and he was being called as Little Master. Why he was being called as Little Master, that also I told you. Now, also we have discussed about Sunil Gavaskar's special characteristics. That is, he was a very good human being. He was not only a good cricketer, but also a very good human being. And also we have discussed about in the year of 1993 there was a problem in our India. Is basically in Mumbai we saw that we actually got the problem of a riot. They people were totally changed. They changed themselves, and they had the riots, and they turned into violent people. Okay, the normal people turned into violent people. So now we are going to start from the last paragraph of page number 36. So please take out your book and turn to page number 36. The last paragraph, from the last paragraph I am going to read. On that particular day, a mob was wildly stoning all the passing vehicles. One such incident happened just outside Sunil Gavaskar's house at Voli. So, I told you in the previous class, in the previous video, that if that means people were going out on the roads of Mumbai, meant risking one's life. So that time, what happened in a particular day, a mob was wildly stoning. Mob means, that means angry crowd, people, a group of people. They were very much angry, and they were stoning all the passengers, not the passengers, all the passing vehicles. One such incident happened just outside Sunil Gavaskar's house. So this time what happened? Outside Sunil Gavaskar's house at Voli, this type of incident happened. Now what happened? We are going to read. Helpless, restless, and upset, Sunil Gavaskar was watching these scenes of horror from his balcony of the multi-storied building he used to live in. So, Sunil Gavaskar was at his home, and he was helpless. He could not do anything. He was restless also. He could not, he was nervous. He was feeling uneasy because he was continuously, he was watching this type of this type of riots, and this type of, what can I say, that terror in the city. And especially when he was at his flat. His flat was in multi-storied building, and he was watching everything that the problems was going on. What problems? Especially outside his house, that means some crowd, some angry people, they were stoning at the they were throwing the stones at the passing vehicles. Okay. Now, somehow two cars managed to escape the stoning, and they drove past. Somehow two lucky cars, they managed to escape from the place. At a distance, another car was approaching, and at a distance, a little bit distance, another car was coming. Okay. It was tried to escape the mob, but the mob managed to hit the driver with a huge stone. It was also that car was also trying to escape from the place, but all in vain. It could not able to manage. Okay, so the people were throwing the stones, and the mob managed to hit the driver with a big stone. It also tried sorry, badly hurt. The driver lost control of the steering wheel, and the car hit a tree. So the driver was badly hurt, and he just lost the control of the car, and then he hit a hit with a tree. The passengers of the car tried to come out, but the unruly crowd surrounded them and hurled them with stones. So the passengers of the car, they were trying to come out of the car, but they could not. And what happened? They were surrounded by the uncivilized people. That means the uncivilized crowd. And continuously those angry mob, the people were throwing stones at the passengers. Okay. Gavaskar could not tolerate this act of cruelty. He told his wife to call up the police immediately and himself ran down. So Gavaskar, who was watching this from his own flat, and he could not tolerate this anymore, and he ran down and he told his wife to call the police. Not worrying about the danger, he went straight up to the mob and bravely stood in front of them and said, "First you have to hit me." So what happened? He just came down, and then he did not care about his own life. He came down and then he straight went to the crowd, and he said that, first, if you want to hit the passengers of the car, first you have to hit me, then you try to hit them.